This is a story about confidence, choices, and learning to say no. It teaches useful English words and real-life conversation in simple language. Perfect for English beginners. Welcome to Tales Fluency. Emma was a nice girl. She was kind, friendly, and helpful. She lived in a small town and worked as a teacher's assistant at a school. Everyone liked Emma because she always said yes when people asked for help. Her friends would say, "Emma, can you help me with my homework?" She would smile and say, "Yes." "Emma, can you stay late at work today?" She would nod and say, "Yes." "No problem." "Emma, can you go to the store for me?" Again. She would say, "Yes." Of course. Saying yes made her feel good. She liked helping people. But slowly, something changed. Emma started feeling tired. She didn't have time for herself. She missed lunch because she was helping others. She stayed late at work and went home exhausted. At night, she sat on her bed and sighed. Why do I feel so tired? Why am I not happy? One day, Emma's friend Lily visited her. "You look tired," Lily said. Emma nodded. "I am. I feel like I don't have time for myself anymore." Lily asked, "Why don't you say no sometimes?" Emma looked surprised. "Say no? But that's rude. People won't like me if I say no." Lily smiled. "That's not true. Saying no is not bad. It's called setting boundaries. It means you respect yourself." Emma didn't know what to say. No one had told her that before. That night, Emma lay in bed and thought about Lily's words. Respect yourself. The next morning, something happened. At work, her boss said, Emma. Can you stay after school and help me with some papers? Emma wanted to say yes. But she remembered how tired she felt last week. She took a deep breath and said, "I'm sorry. I can't today. I need to rest." Her boss looked surprised. But then he said, "Okay. I understand. Thanks for letting me know." Emma was shocked. No one got angry. Nothing bad happened. She smiled quietly to herself. After that, Emma started saying no when she needed to. When her friend asked for help during Emma's break time, she said, "Not now. I need to eat lunch. I can help later." When someone called her at night asking for a favor, she said, "I'm sorry. I need to rest tonight." At first, it was hard. She felt bad. But then she started to feel stronger. Happier. And more free. Saying no gave her time to say yes to herself. She went for walks. She painted pictures. She cooked her favorite food. She even joined a dance class. She felt alive again. Emma was still kind. She still helped people. But now she chose when and how. Her friends noticed the change. "You look happy," one said. "You have more energy," another said. Emma smiled. "I'm learning to take care of myself too." Lily, her wise friend, hugged her and said, "I'm proud of you." Emma laughed. "You were right. Saying no is powerful." One day, a young student in Emma's class looked sad. Emma asked, "What's wrong?" "Maya," the girl said. "Everyone always asks me to do things. I say yes all the time. But I feel tired." Emma sat beside her and said, "You know, You can say no sometimes. It's okay. The girl's eyes grew wide. Really? Emma nodded. Yes. Saying no can be kind. It can protect your time and your heart. The girl smiled. Thank you. Miss Emma. Emma smiled too. She had passed on the lesson. Saying no is not easy. Many people are afraid to say it. They think others will be angry. They think they will be alone. But Emma learned something important. Saying no is a life skill. It means you know what you need. It means you respect your time. It means you have confidence. And it means your yes becomes more meaningful, because it comes from your heart. Not from fear. Emma's story reminds us all. Be kind. But also be strong. Help others. But don't forget yourself. Say yes with joy. And say no with love. Thank you for listening to this story on Tales Fluency. If this story helped you learn new words or think differently, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Vocabulary highlights. Confidence, believing in yourself. Respect, showing care or value for someone. Or yourself. Tired, needing rest or sleep. Boundaries, limits that help protect your time or feelings. Rude, not polite. Exhausted, very. Very tired. Favor, something you do to help someone. Alive, full of energy and joy. Protect, to keep safe. Meaningful, full of importance or feeling.